I bought an EWORK 2-in-1 electric dethatcher and scarifier, and the instruction manual is not very clear. So I thought I'd put together a video as to how I figured out how to put it together. First thing you need to do is attach the lower handles. Put it in there, put it all the way down. Comes with a sheet metal screw. If the screw starts going sideways, it needs to be adjusted. You either need to push it down further or adjust it this way. So that's it. Next thing you gotta do, take the cord hook, put it on the upper handle, put the bolt in there, slide them in there, the thread mounts on the outside. You can tighten those up later on if you want to loosen it up for storage. You can do that. Comes with some cord clips. Just put them on there, snap it on. Doesn't really say where to put them. You can put them wherever you want. So now it's pretty much assembled. You just need to install the blade that you want. Turn it upside down. This is the Dethatcher. This is scarifier. Line that end up in there. And then over here, you've got the two square pieces that go out to the side. Push this down, push it down, slide it to the right. You're done. You're ready to dethatch your lawn. Please note, I did this in my kitchen. If you're married, you probably want to do this in your garage. If you have any questions, just post them and I'll see if I can answer them. Thanks.